Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. You see it? We want to say welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. See? Share, like, subscribe, and make it help grow the platform. Now, we're going to examine, we're going to revisit the Donna Lee Donaldson case, You see, and we are doing it in a way where more, we are going to do it in a way more practical. Now that's, things is less, way to call it, yeah. Boy, Jaja. Now that things is less clouded, see. See, we try to look on how much involvement Cathy Ann Smith could have in that, if any at all. You see, them three things in a case like that where you have to observe, we take precedence is means. See, having the person or getting to the person, motives, and accessibility, being able to get to the person. In this case, yeah, Cathy Ann Smith had all three of these. Seen, but we are going to break them down because this is the reason why most people would have put Cathy Ann Smith under scrutiny, put her in the scope and things like that. Let me turn up the sound so that them can hear her properly. See, but this is from my observation, my media craft, frame of mind type thing. See? And we can discuss it in the comment section. Yeah, them can share their opinion and we have a rumble. See it? But when we look on it, all of a sudden, we know this guy a case. Because I try to think back, me hear whole heap of man, whole heap of sound, I come with that one that say, oh, I'm baby mother, and him just take the rap fear because I'm baby mother. Jamaican no have them pension there. Jamaican man no stay so rasta. Come on. Now, when at the first this go happen in history, So why everybody jump to that conclusion? At the first this ever happen in history. You see, you know if no man come see no man, no matey I do that and take it. The mad man, matey deal with what she deal with that man? What you talk about, man? What's the man the girlist, man? The man have the world at him feet, man. The man prospect them vast and bright. See it? And that are the only thing where puzzle me. We don't have a history to give woman them high regard there. We don't have that. See it? We should not say something for celebrate, and am I celebrating it? It's wrong. What I tell you, say, culturally, Jamaican man, me never happy yet. And it not give nobody in our society the right to say this is the event in this case, because either the day Rasta, have the evidence of them things happen. Jamaican man, them usually do them things for them woman. Jamaican man, them not do them things. The Jamaican man have less things to do to make them woman feel alive, relevant. And now do it, Rasta. It plain and simple. See it? Not that I am celebrating these things or say it's right or anything like that, but nah. And the side go. See it? Right, and if a man be a mother want to go up on the road or a man girl want to go up on the road go sell some things to bring in some money, she can go on Rasta. In most cases, him cool with that. You know, see it? Yeah. She can go on the back road or whatever she want to do and however how long. As long as she bringing back the money. In most cases, that is the case. The woman and the man that two hustler, whatever them have to do to make things, to make them bleaching by, them have to do it, Rasta. You see it? You see it? So, I don't really see that happening for that reason only. Say, well then, because I'm baby mother, and she do that thing come shock surprise and just take the rap for her. I can't really buy that, you know. Now, the next thing about the whole of this is that you have a camera right at the gate, man. You have a camera right at the gate and you have camera round and round the building. This thing blow way out of proportion right now. We sit back and think that the detective them can't ever go on like say them want to manipulate the evidence them where they you know, this thing have a possibility to go further. Long past Jamaica and Jamaicans. It's being observed. A whole lot of international observation. Attention has been drawn to the Donna Lee Donaldson case. You know, see through NOEL MAITLAND's connection with entertainers and so on, you know, and the facts are well, then they might live a lavish lifestyle uptown pan a constable's salary and thing like that. It's alleged that the division, the police division where I'm from, is wrath with corruption. Them a take be a hitman job, hitman works. You know, see it, I did three of them go up on our works and go do up a man and collect them money and go back home. You know, see it, and two I end up in a prison. One of them run on me and say him turning himself. Sir P say him turning himself. You know, see it. So again, while them not get no money to do the job that's required of them, I agree. I agree. See, while them not get the money to do the job where them a do, the fact is them a do them one thing out there to make a bread and hustle up and make up on top of that. Measure and immeasurable nefarious activity and thing like that the police force involved in. Long before this, you understand, this is not new or anything strange if we go on like say, well then, I wonder if how comes. No, not how comes. We know say boy corrupt and boy I do all sorts of things to put himself in the position where him there, regardless. So, you know, go and act naive and culpable. When naivety is culpability. In this case, because this naivety is not even real, Rasta. Nobody is that unintelligent and stupid. You see it? I'm not going to beat around the bush. Come sue if you want. And make we dig in. Make we lie at them and they dig in and see what really I want. Because somebody needs to dig in. And these people, Rasta. You see it? And when them come with them liable argument and thing, you just give your reason why lead you to believe in thing, Rasta, and all of these things will be visited thoroughly. You see it? And a guy, Apple can't get disturbed. That's why enough of them not try to sue a whole heap of people. A whole heap of misinformation go out. A whole heap of slander go on for yourself. You see it? But you don't know what one stone, you turn one stone and it all dig up too much. The whole of the backyard not go dig up now and all of the skeleton them in the closet them all come out for them. Them have more skeleton more than a one level argument. Them can always allow that to go on. You know, see it. Anyway, people need clarity. And you know, see it. People need to ask the question, how comes them boy living lifestyle where them live? And I go give up all of that. For baby mother's stupidity in a case where the likelihood for she herself get where. Even though, so let's say the scenario is that him a cover fair, or she do it and him a cover fair. The likelihood for she get where, you know, Rasta, it's next to impossible. You know, see it? The moment him get arrested for it, him know the jig is up. You see, if them did went clear and nobody, she just missing and nobody have no, you know, nobody for point the finger upon no suspect and thing like that, like she was a missing person, like we go on regular across Jamaica, like how the military try construct the whole thing. You that hear say boy, well, you know, see, so that I just seen, take time go on and take time gone. You could have said, well then, you know, see, yeah, well, and that them try make it look like. See? No, it get found out, it get drawn out and thing like that and push out in the public sphere. Yeah. people, we, the public out here, go assume, say, the girl do it and him a cover for her. And again, you know, the fact is that this is some romantic story, fairy tale story where they read about in a storybook. Them things not happening in the real world, neither in the Rasta. Nowhere in the real world, not even a place where they adapt them sort of cultural backward thinking they from. It not even happen. You know, see, because them sitting there, I want to tell you, say, even the picture them when them drawing at the storybook, them about the fairy tale and the castle, you know, looks so true in a Rasta, a desert, you know. You know, see it, so it's all a construct for mess with the mind, which it has done. So I say what people are using today, this fairy tale Prince Charming business, run come to the princess aid. I lie, I do Rasta, it weird. Alright, next thing I'm going to look on Cathy Ann. Yeah? Cathy Ann have a work schedule. See? She's a member of the authority body, the police. See? She have a mobile phone. See? The fact that she got there with the man, or I'm baby mother, good mean say she got there with him too, time after time. And them see her and know her. People see her and know her and can recognize her and point her out. See? The camera them there at the gate. The other rest of camera them around the community and things like that. Added to the fact that other people, she might have other people, respectable, responsible people in a society who can vouch for her as well. Say, at the time when certain things are going on, she might not have been there, or she might not have gone there over the period when Donna Lee Donaldson was supposed to have been there. See? Because we are going to make it look like, say now, or him a bunks it a cheat with one and none of them don't know about one another. I saw we make it look like, you know, like the possibility of them knowing about each other is so foreign that it's beyond our thought process. You know, see, that's how they make it look. In most cases in Jamaica, matey no matey, side chick no side chick, and wifey no wifey, and them alright with it. For the best side, them now go sit down and chat and lavish with one another and rate it. But them have it come to a point a long time ago where them know say them have no real control over it. Them not have no real control over that. You know, see it? It's a thing. We're going in our society and people are overlook them sort of reality and a factor in fairy tale drama. Prince Charles a ride upon him white steed. You see it? And that them people are doing that story, Rasta. You know see, the likelihood for a Jamaican man where I live him life them way they step out and do that. And wipe on the back of it, everybody saw him love Donna Lee, love Donna Lee. If you love Donna Lee and a girl do that to her, you ask she got a prison Rasta. After you picking her suffer, you have to take care of your picking yourself. And you did not take care of him when you're out here too. We don't full stand that. Where the argument come from, oh, this makes sense. Donna Lee, I'm first, girl, I'm first. But this is no, I didn't think them do interview pan social media and thing like that. Cathy Ann Smith must know about that and all her friends and family too. So even if she go back up on Donna Lee, or without be confrontational, more than likely, the likelihood for it be confrontational is less. Because I just walk away and turn to go back a yard and call Noel and cuss him out and rate, you know, say a girl there invite me over here and rate and all them sort of thing there. 30 odd years ago at Jamaica, you know how much time I took me come see two women buck up and attack to one another. We're supposed to have fight over me. Me never said no. And I saw it go. A girl must definitely want. You see, it's less likely than likely, especially in a fair case. So we surprise a girl come buck up and something and thing like that, and shock her in the heat of the, you know, react on them because it's different. But like we say, Cathy Ann and the man up on social media and interview and a chat and rate, he's them known as a couple more than even, I mean, Donna Lee and the man up on social media chat and all them sort of things. Them is known more as a couple than Cathy Ann. You know, see it. People who know Cathy Ann would have her as a side chick, in a lot of cases, or in most cases, Rasta. You see it? It's not have nothing to do with status in a Jamaica. It not have nothing to do with status. Wifey or wifey, side chick can all be a rich woman who live uptown where have her things. But the man still have him get a side chick, him get a chick where a she him wife, you know see it? And a she man, a she take care of the youth, them a she him, a long time man she there. And I saw it go. And you know, we can't do that. You know that case here, Rasta. And mess up everybody's life. You know see it? We can't do that and mess up everybody's life, Rasta. You see, because I know and I know. It don't appear to me like, say, the relationship between Donna Lee and NOEL MAITLAND was a secret to Cathy Ann. It does not appear that way to me. Seeing? And the eye them keep forgetting and factoring out this thing called crime of passion. We always happening in Jamaica. And it happen on a spur of the moment time. Most of these things is not premeditated, Rasta. Most of the crime them between a man and a woman in a Jamaica, a man against him woman as, you know, was never premeditated. It's like a shock, spur of the moment reaction regarding a revelation, a discovery or something like this. You know, see it? A new discovery, an immediate discovery. Hey, girl, I would have tell you, them say on the boy, hey, girl, come on, you see it? And them sort of thing there. I never, you know, get a man sit down and a premeditate, say, on that day, yeah, me I go do this, me I carry her come over here, so and me I go rotate and play. No, we are talking about people now where have a relationship, you know, and it end up sour to that degree there. Yeah? Culturally, Rasta. When it happens like that, it usually just is a, you know, see, yeah, usually a reactive thing rather than a premeditative thing. You understand me? Why we are overlook that fact or that issue in this case here, Rasta? A man can go to a girl phone, a man can hear a girl get a call and talk to somebody or whatever, send a text, however. Everybody fears out all of these things, yeah? Just like a girl can hear a guy get a call or something like that and want to know what that argue and get or whatever, however. You know, see it? Yeah, these things happen. And it's more likely if it happen that way there than, so say culturally, an outsider then, a side chick, or the wife catch the side chick and do them thing. Yeah. This is not America, Rasta. This is not Britain, Europe, or all them sort of place there. This is Jamaica. You see it? And now the culture changed so drastically that people resort to them level of them reaction, yeah? When even the people that we romanticize and fairy tale the thing that way there. Nah, react them way there when them come up and them discover the Rasta. Prince Charles and Diana find out that Prince Charles have an affair with Karina Parker Bowles and she just go inside and hold for her one to and deal with for her thing. You know, so she react now we are trying to get no whatever rate if you jump on the case and did none. Everybody said Charles them move after Diana because conspiracy theories is alleging. Me never have none, me never go in at that night. You see, at the end of the day, Rasta, the people that create them fairy tale no react them way there. So why are we now going to sit back one side and fool ourselves just because I mix up? That is something where, you know, see, the girl was definitely a part of the observation in the beginning because we don't know what going on and the whole thing look shady. You know, see, but no, that's the whole thing I play out and girl I get questioned and them look away there. People still involve her in the frame of things. She should be less. Our involvement should be less. Because again, for the Jamaica police force cover for a woman police over the man friend. That not likely. You know, see, it more, you know, for them eyes, it more likely for the woman be weak and make a erring judgment than a male counterpart. Like for instance, in the case, you know, see, so it would have been evident, it would have been okay, more acceptable for push she out there as the aggravator in that case here than Noel. You know see it? Noel know what I do. I nah go really sit down here and tell myself say this is all a thing where a guy do a romantic. I nah go romanticize this thing here, Rasta. You know see, I don't have no reason for things in a Jamaican man or do that. See them woman. Whether rich, poor, or indifferent, because the thing about it, society and culture accept it. So it not, no. It not gonna be called upon as a shame because you make your baby mother go to prison for kill a girl. No, nobody now look upon you as shameful, Rasta. Everybody all look upon you say, you for put on the handcuff on the dirty murderer hand and carry her go lock her up. And that people are gonna say. You know see it? So who wouldn't do that for? If that was the case, who that would have benefit and who are gonna celebrate him and say, yeah, Ray, who? You know see it? Not even the child. Not even the child where it is alleged that he would be protecting in a fairy tale fantasy world. Anyway, I give thanks. That are my opinion still. Make we have a discussion and shed some light. See if the item can enlighten I some more regarding the whole nature of things. And I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.